In this video, you will learn how to add milestones in Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account and go to the board where you want to add a milestone. Then, if you want to add a milestone, click on the new item, click on the plus and add a button in the new board and create a new item. If you're adding a milestone to an existing item, select the item from your list. If you do not have a milestone column yet, you'll need to add one. Click the plus button at the top of the board to add a new column. Search for the status column and select it. You can label this column something such as progress or milestone. After you've added the milestone column, you can mark a specific task as a milestone. You can do this by clicking on the item, then choosing milestone from the status options in the milestone column. After that, customize your milestone. If you need a specific label, colour, to denote your milestone, go to the column setting by clicking the three dots next to the column and tile. Then choose Edit Labels. Adjust the labels and colours to better know how you want your milestone to appear on the board. If your milestone has deadlines and needs to be scheduled within a project, make sure you use the time or date column to set a specific time frame it needs to be completed in. Once you've configured your milestone, the changes are automatically saved and the task will now reflect the milestone status. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.